Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello students, how are you all? Hope that you people are enjoying and staying safe at home. Yes, Kitty Nancy is back to you people now. Today, mashallah, Kitty Nancy is 45 days old. And yes, why Kitty Nancy is here again? Because it's a third time we are taking the bone measurement of Kitty, so that our concept will become very clear that yes, the bones grow as we grow older. Because in the scientific you can say methods, we always trust on the results more than once. We always take the experimentation, we always take the you can say results more than once, and then we can come to some final conclusion. So for this purpose, so Kitty Nancy is here, and we are again today measuring the bones of the Kitty Nancy, so that we will get an accurate result, accurate you can say idea about our concept that yes, as we grow, our bones also grow. So say thank you to Kitty Nancy for becoming the live specimen here once again for you people. And yes, we can start with the bone measurement of the Kitty Nancy. And Kitty Nancy, say hi to my students. Hello everyone. Yes, Kitty is here for bone measurement, and then finally we will give a you can say a final conclusion that yes, what is the changes that is happening to the you can say body of the Kitty Nancy from day 2 to day 20, and today Kitty Nancy is mashallah 45 days old. Okay, for this purpose I am having the same measuring ruler. Which side we are supposed to use? We are supposed to use the standardized unit, that is the centimeters. And if you people remember, when we took the first clip, when the Kitty Nancy was only 2 days old, the Kitty Nancy's body length was 15 centimeter, and the length of the Kitty Nancy's forehand was 3.5 centimeter, and width including hand it was 4.5, I think so, 3 centimeter, and with hand it was 4.5 centimeter. Then when Kitty Nancy was 20 days old, once again we have taken the bone measurement of the Kitty Nancy, and over the period of the time, over the period of the 20 days, the Kitty Nancy body length increases from 15 to 21 centimeter. And in the same way, the forearm and the other, it's also increases in the same way. And now yes, now mashallah, Kitty Nancy is 45 days old, and yes, today we will see that how much growth has taken place. So for this purpose, I'm just you can say measuring the bone of the Kitty Nancy. She is little you can say nasty now. Yes, it's now straight, Nancy straight. Yes, it's mashallah starting from head till the end point of the pelvic. It is almost 24 centimeter long. It means that Kitty Nancy's body length of at 45 days is 24 centimeter now. So in the same way, we can measure the forearm length also. What is the forearm length of the Kitty Nancy? You can have a look of it. At day 2, it was only 3 centimeter. At day 20, it was 4.5 centimeter, and mashallah today the forearm length without hand is almost let's say 7 centimeter, and with hand is 9.5 centimeter. So it means that mashallah, Kitty Nancy is very healthy. Kitty Nancy is growing at a good speed. And yes, one thing should be very clear to you people here. We are talking about the bone growth of the Kitty Nancy over the period of days, means the 2 days, 20 days, 45 days. Because one thing to you can say remember here, the animals are having the different lifespan as compared to we humans. The animals are mostly having the short lifespan. So the changes which is happening in the Kitty Nancy's body over the period of the days, it takes place in the human over the period of the years. So you can take your example at when you were 1 year old, you were having a different body size, then different, and then up to a maximum age like 18 years, we are having a maximum growth of our body, and afterward our growth stops. Our body growth, our bones growth stops. So this should be very clear to you. This point should be very clear to you people, that the animals are having the different lifespan. That's why their body growth, their bodies, you can say their body needs are even different for them. So I guess once again say thank you for the accuracy of the result. Hence it's clear to you people that yes, the bones grow as we grow older. And alhamdulillah, we have successfully completed our unit 1, that is the muscles and skeletons. And today we will just go through the ending, the end of the unit, that what we have learned in this whole unit. And alhamdulillah, I hope that all ideas become very clear to you people. You people enjoy the all topics with me, and inshallah we will start with the new unit very soon, and we will have a good time together again. And yes, now we will switch to our book, and we will just go through the exercise, that what we have learned. We will revise our concept there. And once again say thank you to my kitty. Nancy, say Allah Hafiz to my students. Thank you. You become the specimen for us for the 3 times. And yes, Kitty Nancy, hence proof from the Kitty Nancy's growth. Yes, the bones grow as we grow older. Allah Hafiz students, and stay tuned with me and open your book. Open your book. We have just 2 pages to read, and a little exercise to just complete it there on the book. And then alhamdulillah, our first unit is over, that is muscles and skeletons. Allah Hafiz students.